Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can save your Temu items so that you can visit them at a later date and maybe purchase them at a later date. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the main page of Temu, and this goes for the web version and the mobile version as well. It's very similar. What you need to do is find the item that you want to save. For example, this bed cover, and open it up. Now, there is no save button over here, but what you can do is a couple of different things. Now, firstly, just by visiting this item, it'll be within your order history or within your search history, browsing history, whatever, and then you can visit it from there. However, if you want to save the link to this, what you need to do is, of course, you can bookmark it if you're on a web browser, or you can go over here into share to and then copy the item ID if you want to, and then search for the item by ID at a later date, or you can just click here and copy the link to this page, and once you copy it, you just need to paste it somewhere and save it for later, and that is one method. However, as I mentioned, you can also go into your browsing history, and any items that you have looked at will be saved here until you delete them, so you can just visit them from here, and that's pretty much it. You can also hover over these three dots and you can delete the items if you want, or find similar items depending on your wishes, but that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.